Hey guys, today we have a Gigabyte GeForce GTX 1660 Ti. I'm just gonna do a quick little unboxing for you and just a little side-by-side comparison with the size of the 1070 and also an ASUS one actually as well. All right, so let's get into it. Looks pretty nice. Here's the graphic. It says Gigabyte here, 1660 Ti. Is that? Let me show you guys the model number. Alright, looks kind of similar. Here's the back. It's kind of basic stuff. Gosh. Okay, let's open it up. Just gonna pop it right here. Just lift up. And no manuals or anything. You just kind of get the package and it goes right to this. Okay. So make sure to remove this. It looks like there's something. Let's see, there's something under here. Okay, so the CD is actually underneath. Just comes with a regular standard CD. And also just a quick guide. Oh, there's no actual manual. That's pretty surprising too. What they normally call manuals, but this is just a quick guide for you trying to install it and what to do, what connectors it has. Alright, let's put this on. Let's put this back in. Alright, so let's open this up. Slide it down. Pretty nice. And you can see there is 3 display ports actually and 1 HDMI. Here's the back cover. They actually put a cover on. It's just a piece of plastic. It doesn't feel too premium. It actually feels a little bit cheap. And of course you have the little cartridge right here. Comes off. It says Gigabyte on the side there. Okay, we want to keep that on until we put it in. So let's keep that to the side. You can see it's not too thick. It's pretty small. Just a standard size. Here's the size of my hand. So here's the side-by-side of the GTX 1070 Founders Edition. You can see it's quite a bit bigger. It's a little bit longer too. Now performance-wise, they're supposed to be very similar. This one does have the DDR6. This one just has the DDR5. And the Gigabyte does have, the 1660 Ti does have the Turing architecture. It's based off the 12 plus nanometer one instead of the old 14. Okay, and here's the side-by-side of the ASUS ROG GTX 1660 Ti. You can see it's quite a bit bigger. This is almost the size of my arm, actually. This one's really big. And, of course, this is it. So, yeah, this is a pretty big graphics card. Yeah, it's very heavy and thick, too. So I'll show you the comparison, see how thick it is. The difference there. Look at that. And they both still have the 8-pin connector. Do be careful if you decide to get the ROG one. It's very big and it's deceptively big actually in the fact that you have to be sure that you can fit it in your case. This one will fit most, if not all, cases, but if you're a little bit smaller or if you have pre-builts, just be careful. Okay, that's been a quick unboxing and just kind of like a first look at the Gigabyte GeForce GTX 1660 Ti. If you want to check out actually the ASUS ROG one we also opened as well, we do have that video up right now. Please give us a like. If you can subscribe, that'd be great too. Please leave a comment if you have any questions or if you want us to do any more comparisons. And thanks for watching. You guys have a good one.